Hello guys, welcome to Technical Trainings. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about mean, median, mode, and there are other topics like standard deviation and variance. Okay, so this is a basic tutorial. Okay, so first thing I want to clear why you are learning all this thing, because when we go ahead in a particular program, okay, when we are making any application in that particular program, we will need all this thing, okay, all this basic function. So I'm just creating basic thing for you so that you can understand it in a better way, okay, and creating a proper program for your basic things. So let's get started. Okay, so mean, median, mode are the arithmetic average of a data set. This is found by adding the numbers in a data set. Okay, so basically what is the data set? This is my data set. Okay, now the what I've done, data set, and dividing by how many numbers are there. Okay, so I will discuss each one by one. Let's see first mean. Okay, mean is nothing but the average value, median is nothing but the midpoint value, and mode is nothing but the most common value. So let's see mean, guys. So for example, suppose this is my data 2 4 4 4 5 5 7 9. Okay, so I want to find the what will be the mean of this. Okay, mean is nothing but the average. To find the average, we all just add all the numbers, okay, and just divide that number with the number of elements. Now in my case there are 8 elements, that's why I'm dividing by 8, and the answer is 5. So for my this data, my average mean is 5. Okay, let's see with this data. So my scorecard is this. If I execute this again, if I execute this, my mean is 56. Okay, so this is nothing but inbuilt function of numpy. Okay, numpy uses the function called dot mean. Okay, and just I am passing the data set from here. So this is nothing but a simple program to execute mean value. Now suppose there is a lot of data like 1000 2000 elements in that, and suppose you want to find the mean of that data set. So just use this function, this line, guys, only give the data set name over here, so that will print the mean of that data set. Okay, now median is nothing but, as I discussed over here, the midpoint value. Okay, let's see how it will work. Now I've just created data set, that's money. If I execute this, the data set will get created. Then I'm using numpy dot median to have median on that. Okay, if I execute this, it will give me, okay, it will give me exactly the midpoint. Okay, 86.5. Now why it's giving 86.5? Because in some case the numbers may be even, for example 8. So if you find middle point of 8, it is 4. Now suppose you want to find the midpoint of 9, so at that time you have to just divide that number point 0.5. So this is the case, guys. Okay, so that's why it's giving 86.5 over here. Okay, this number over here 86.5. okay, like that thing. So understand, median is nothing but to find the midpoint of your data set. Mean is to find average of your data set. Okay, and let's see mode now. Mode is nothing but to find the most common repeated value. In this case, you can see, you can guess the output will be 34. Okay, how? Because 34 is repeated much more time over here. So for mode, I've used SciPy. Okay, and from that I'm just from SciPy I'm just importing stat is nothing but statistic. Okay, and I'm just using to dot mode, and just I'm giving the data set. Okay, now the output of this stat, okay, I'll just run this thing and again run this thing. Now the output of this mode will give you the most common value in the data set. In my case that is 34, and also will give you the count of array, the count of 34 in the data set. Now suppose I will increase over here, let's see, comma 34 comma 34. Now the count array is increased. Let's see, so it get increased by 5, like this thing, guys. Hope you're understanding. It's very basic and very simple code. Okay, don't worry about this code. I will just share this link in my description. You can go and download from there. And please subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, if you like to watch such kind of video, and please support me. Okay, now let's discuss what is standard deviation, guys. Let's understand what is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the number that describes how spread out the values are. Okay, for example, take a data set like 0 to 100, and in between 0 to 100 there are some data, okay, like 25, 35, 95, 75, like this. Now we have to find out that how that data is spread out. Means they are closer to each other, means they are means they are closer to each other or far away from each other. Like 2 is far away from 90, so that is nothing but the we have to find that relation. Okay, so to find that relation, I have just created score and 20, 21, 26, 19. Now these are some data that is near to each other. Okay, if I execute this, the standard deviation is 2.5. Now I have just highlighted the line. Higher the difference, higher the standard derivation. Okay, so whenever the difference is high, the derivation will go high. Now see in this case, 12, 58, 98, 11, then 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now you can observe that the difference is very high. So I will just execute this. Now you can see the derivation, standard derivation is 1, 2, 3. It's very high, guys. So that is the basic thing of standard deviation. Okay, and one more thing, standard deviation, okay, is basically square root of variance. I have not discussed variance, but I will discuss. It's always a square root of variance. Now what is variance, guys? So variance is something like you can say understand it very simply, guys. I will just explain it. For variance, I am just importing statistic. From statistic, I am just using the function variance like this, simple. Okay, and I am just putting this as a output. Variance is the sum of square of difference between all numbers and means. Okay, so to find the variance, first of all you have to find the mean value, then subscribe that mean value from each and every element like 2, 5, 4, 5, then square it, then click with a 9. After getting this value, just add that values and divide by the element number, so that will give you the variance. If you not understood this variance, you can comment me in the comment box. I will just give reply to you. Okay, it's very simple. For getting the variance, I will explain again. Take out the mean value first. You know how to take out the mean value. Then subtract that mean value from each and every element present in the data set. For here 21, 5. For example, 14, 5, 19, 5. Then whatever value will get, square it and get the number and add that number total and divide by the element number. That is nothing but the variance. Okay, so in this tutorial, guys, we have discussed this thing. Okay, so hope you liked the video. If you want more videos such on based on Python and machine learnings, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also follow me on my other social media channels or links. Okay, that all are provided in the this description. So thank you so much for today. We will meet you in our next lecture. Bye bye.